So I'm going to run over my PC parts and what I used to build my latest system. First off, we have my amazing Antec case. Everybody has their own tastes, I totally get that. Just because I like it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to love it. Next we have the MSI 850G PCI Express 5 PSU. It has a gold rating and I love the fact that they are built using Japanese components. Next for the build, you cannot get away with building a PC without a motherboard. The MSI Z790 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi, and it has all the features that you could ever possibly need. Next of all, you can't have a motherboard without a CPU and vice versa. This is the i7-14700KF 14th gen Intel chip. To cool it down, I use this, the Noctua NH-U12A cooler. Now it's an absolute beast, really well specced, hence why I bought it. And it's really quiet as well. I opted for an NVMe drive instead of an SSD. And I went for the 990 Pro by Samsung. And wow, I was absolutely blown away with the speeds of this. Over 7,000 meg per second. I've had this before. When I'm saying megasecond, people think I'm literally saying mega second. No, meg per second. But of course, us English, we like to kind of shorten things down a little bit. So megasecond means meg per second. You can get it with or without the heatsink. I opted for the one with the heatsink. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4070. And again, really happy for what I need. You know, I don't need super high benching specs for games. I don't play games as much as I used to do, unfortunately. I say unfortunately because I do miss it sometimes, but I have other things to be working on rather than gaming. This has Gigabyte's WindForce cooling system, and I tell you what, you can tell the difference. It is so quiet. It's probably one of the quietest graphics cards I have ever owned personally. So for the memory, I opted for Corsair's Vengeance DDR5 RAM. Again, really super fast. It comes with a slower clock speed unless you turn on a setting in the BIOS, so just remember that. It's running at 6,000 megahertz, which is phenomenal. This is the box that my internal hard disk came in, and I opted for a FireCuda. Why do I have a hard disk in my computer? I don't necessarily trust SSDs or NVMe cards to hold data securely, so I always have a backup hard disk in my system, and anything that I need to back up, I put it onto them. This is a 4 terabyte version, so it's going to keep me going for a very long time.